Hello everyone, welcome to Inkling's English classes. In this video, we are going to discuss The Rising of the Moon by Lady Gregory. So at first, we are going to have a look at the major characters of the play. Then we will be discussing the detailed summary of the play. And finally, we will discuss the theme around which the play revolves. So if you haven't yet subscribed our channel, do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update or notification. The Rising of the Moon is a one-act play which throws light on the freedom struggle of the Irish people against the English. Lady Gregory, the author of the play, had a deep sympathy for the Irish national movement. She shows this sympathy in the play, The Rising of the Moon. The story of the play describes an incident in the life of a police officer. He gives up a large reward to help an Irish patriot who had escaped from prison. The police officer realizes that freedom is a shared dream of all Irishmen. He comes to feel that the prisoner's cause is his own. And the title, The Rising of the Moon, has a symbolic meaning. It depicts the rising of the spirit of patriotism in the hearts of Irish people. So before discussing the detailed summary of the play, let's have a look at the major characters of the play. So our first character is Sergeant. He is a poor married man with a family. In the beginning, he is anxious to get a reward by catching an escaped prisoner who is a patriot, but in the end, the light of patriotism rises in the sergeant's heart. He does not catch the prisoner. He helps him escape the police net. Our next characters are Policeman X and Policeman B. They are there for the help of Sergeant. Our next character is the Ragged Man. He is the escaped prisoner in disguise of the poor ballad singer. He is a patriot and freedom fighter of Ireland. So let's discuss the detailed summary of the play. The play opens on an evening scene. The moon is dimly shining in the sky. We see two policemen and a sergeant by the side of a quay or a wharf. They are in search of a prisoner who has escaped from the prison. They put up placards at various places. These placards give the description of the escaped prisoner. The notice also tells that anyone who arrests this prisoner will be given a reward of £100. This escaped prisoner is an Irish patriot. He is the leader of the party which is struggling to get freedom for Ireland from the slavery of the English people. The sergeant is an efficient police officer. He knows that the escaped prisoner has many friends in the country. They will come in a boat to the quay and take away the escaped prisoner. So the sergeant wants to stay alone on the wharf so that he may not have to share the reward with the two policemen who are with him for his help. So he asks them to go to some other place to put up the placards, and he stays back alone on the wharf. The sergeant is lost in his thoughts. He dreams of the large reward and promotion if he is able to arrest the escaped convict. All of a sudden, he sees a ragged man going towards the steps of the quay. He challenges this man and orders him to halt. The man tells that he is a poor ballad singer and earns his living by singing and selling his ballads. He says that he would sit on the steps of the quay. Perhaps some passing sailor would purchase one of his ballads. He begins to sing a song to divert the sergeant's attention, but the sergeant tells him to stop that noise. He asks him to go back to the town. The ragged man looks at the placards and tells the sergeant that he knows the escaped prisoner. He says that he would not stay there to be killed even if the reward was 10 times more. Saying this, the ragged man turns to go to the town, but the sergeant orders him to stop and tell him more about the escaped prisoner. The ragged man says that the escaped prisoner is very dangerous. He can use all types of weapons. He is very strong and his muscles are as hard as a board. The ragged man says that this prisoner once killed a sergeant just with a piece of stone. The sergeant is deeply frightened. The ragged man understands the sergeant's feelings. He frightens him more by saying that this prisoner may come out suddenly and makes his attack. The sergeant feels deeply shaken. He says that the government should put there a whole troop of police to arrest a man like that. In fact, the ragged man himself is the escaped prisoner. He plays this trick successfully on the sergeant. The sergeant asks him to sit with him there on a barrel and keep vigil. But he tells him that he would not be given any share in the reward if the escaped prisoner was arrested. The ragged man assures him that he would not have any share in the reward. He says that it would be shameful for him to have any reward by arresting a patriot. The ragged man then begins to sing some national songs of Ireland. He knowingly misses a line in a popular song. The sergeant corrects him and points out the missing line. At this, the ragged man shows his surprise that the sergeant should also know that patriotic song. He says that the sergeant also must have sung these songs with his friends in his boyhood. A
Perhaps
deep feeling
the
of
escaped prisoner
patriotism
was
rises
one
in
of those
sergeant's
companions
heart.
in
He
whose
admits
company
that
he
his
sang
family
those songs.
responsibilities made him join the police force. If the circumstances had allowed him, he would have loved to fight for the freedom of the country. He realizes that only a thin line divides him as a police officer and the rebel who has escaped from the prison. If circumstances had been different, perhaps he himself would have become a rebel and the present rebel would have become a police officer. The ragged man again sings popular patriotic songs to excite the sergeant still more. Meanwhile, the rowing sound of a boat is heard at the quay. A whistle is heard from the boat. It is a signal and the ragged man tries to climb down the steps. The sergeant stands in front of him and orders him to stop. He finds that the ragged man is not a ballad singer. He is the escaped prisoner himself. At that time, the two policemen who had gone to put up placards at other places arrive there. The ragged man hides behind the barrel. The sergeant can now arrest him with the help of the policeman, but he does not do so. He tells the policeman to go back from there. In this way, he helps the prisoner to go into the boat and run away from there. While going, the prisoner thanks the sergeant for his help. He says that freedom would come to Ireland when the spirit of patriotism rises in the hearts of Irish people like the rising moon in the dark night. He promises that he would repay the sergeant for his help as soon as freedom comes to Ireland. That's all about the plot of the play. Let's discuss the major theme around which the play revolves. It is the feeling of patriotism around which the play The Rising of the Moon revolves. In the beginning, one finds that the sergeant is very anxious to arrest the rebel and win the reward. But the patriotism of the escaped prisoner lights the lamp of patriotism in the heart of sergeant, and instead of arresting him, he helps him escape from that place. So that's it for this video. I hope you found the discussion helpful. If you found the video helpful, then do like it and share it with your friends. I'll be back very soon with a new video. Till then, stay tuned with Inklings English classes and don't forget to subscribe the channel.